How would you like literally to have everything done for you, ready to roll in like 5 minutes flat? If that sounds good to you, I have the most insane thing you've ever heard of in my review of PLR Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because my jokes, they're bad, they're stale. I get it. They're as stale and boring as the snow we have outside. If you live here in the United States, you know that we just had a major storm over most of the country, and here in West Pennsylvania, boy, did we get dumped on. Over the weekend, we had wind chill factors minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit. For my friends overseas, that's, I think, minus 33 Celsius. Some crazy number. I mean, the average temperature is only minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit, but still, with the wind chill, it felt like minus 33. Our furnace was blasting full on, and even so, we still were wearing sweaters here because it was so cold. It's warmed up a little bit, but there's still quite a bit of snow and ice on the ground, which is never fun. But anyway, by getting back to this, it's good that you can work from home and be able to make a living from home like I do, because you don't have to go out in the snow except to go and shovel it, which of course is fun. But anyway, I digress. So, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: to review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask, well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you do not buy a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, you know what? I'm getting really sick and tired of this. All right. You don't want crap. These people don't want crap. Nobody wants crap. Stop talking about wanting crap. Nobody does. Okay, so irritating. Anyway, seriously. Wait, here's work. If I like about it, we'll give a tip of my hats to the party crap. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here on volume mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she is such a sweetheart. I love this lady. She always has the sweetest things every single time. Same thing, but still, it's very sweet. Anyway, seriously, if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for PLR Empire. This is from my friend John. John has put together a truly massive bundle. Now, just on its own, this is worth picking up. You're looking at 6,000 ebooks included with this package. That alone is worth the price of admission for $10. Okay, on top of that, though, he's also included, I think, about 140,000 articles that have PLR rights included for free. Plus, he's included hundreds and hundreds of videos that are going to come with PLR rights with it as well. Everything, and you're going to be able to sell all of this stuff and keep it or use it as a bonus, whatever you want to do with it, completely for free. Now, what I decided to do for you is like this. I'll show you my version in just a second, but I really want to tell you about what I just did for you, because I did something extraordinary for you. Okay, so for the first time ever, I woke up super early today. If you can see, I'm a little bit sleepy looking because I was up at 5 in the morning. I wanted to put this together for you and have this ready to roll. So I've done for you like this. I put together a complete done for you membership website. Now, what do I mean by this? This isn't where I'm going to show you how to do it. This is where I did it for you. Okay, so literally, you're going to get 2 downloads, and all you're going to do is you're going to install WordPress. If you don't know how to do that, you can Google how to install WordPress. But I'm going to give you the software that you need in order to load up the WordPress website that I created for you. Take that website, load it up, and it is ready to roll. It includes a sales page. It includes a membership script. It even includes all the legal pages that you need. Okay, everything is there for you. All inclusive, all the software, everything is done already. It's all set. It even has the sales page is set as the home page, so you literally don't have to do any work. I've even put in WooCommerce, so you can actually start selling this stuff if you wanted to sell it directly. The membership plugin also works with Warrior Plus or JVZoo. So if you want to sell through Warrior Plus or JVZoo, you can do that. Plus, I've also included membership buttons, so you can actually set up downloadable buttons. So if you want to go and take some of this content and upload it to your own Google Drive, you can do that. Literally everything is done for you. It'll take you 5 minutes, and that's basically the amount of time it just takes to like run the thing. But I'm not done yet. On top of that, I'm also going to show you how to get a completely free domain name. I am not talking about a domain name like, you know, your website.blogger.com. I'm talking about an actual domain name, a custom domain name that you can get for free forever. Plus, I'm going to show you how to get a completely free forever web hosting site. So you're going to be able to take your domain name and point it at your site, and you're going to be able to actually do that as well. That's going to be included as one of my custom bonuses. Plus, if that's not enough, I'm also giving you my brand new traffic strategy that I just came up with, that I've been experimenting with, which is really proving very successful. It is like deceptively simple, but it really, really works incredibly well. Basically, I call it Insert because you can instantly rip off other people's traffic completely for free, completely legal, by the way. Nothing illegal about it, nothing underhanded about it, but it's completely legal. You're going to be able to rip off other people's traffic instantly. And basically, it takes you about 5 minutes a day to do this. I'm going to show you everything you need to know in order to make this whole thing happen. That's also one of my many bonuses with this package. So I've really put it all together, and everything comes for the $10 that you're going to pay for everything that is included here. So you're going to get the 6,000 ebooks, the hundreds of video courses, plus the content pack with all of these articles and all this other materials that you can see listed here. Let's check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here that it's just, you're going to go ahead and just download everything. Yeah, everything is included for you completely for free. There is no requirement to purchase an upsell. Obviously, if you want to purchase an upsell, you can. There's great upsells. But in order to get my bonus, you do not have to purchase any upsells. It's all included with the basic package. And you can see there's a lot of stuff here that's going to be included for you. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. This is awesome. For $10, you really can't go wrong with this. Grab this. You are absolutely going to love this.